Hey guys, it's Ritika. So for today's video, I'm gonna unbox a subscription bag for you guys. So this is the Zotezo subscription bag, and I already have done a video on this bag for the month of September. I ordered the bag for myself and I really loved the bag, and there were 7 full-size products in that bag for just rupees 5.99. I really enjoyed it, and for this month, Zotezo were kind enough to send me this bag. So firstly, what Zotezo is? So Zotezo is a subscription bag company, and they send you beauty products or skincare products in their subscription bags every month, and the price for their bag is 5.99 rupees. And the thing that I loved about Zotezo is that they send you full size products, not sample size products, which is really great. If you are getting 6 or 7 full size products for just rupees 5.99 every month, then I would say that the subscription bag or box or anything is just amazing. So for the month of September, I got 7 full size products in that bag, and for this month they have sent me 6 full size products. So I'm gonna start with the packaging of this bag. So this is how the bag looks like, and also this time the chain of this bag is on the top, which is really great, as you can keep big bottles of full size products inside it, and you can keep this bag in your college bags, office bags, or at your home as well. So the material of this bag is really thick, as I've mentioned in the last video as well. The material is very sturdy, very thick. It's not a flimsy or a very soft material. And now let's talk about the first product. So the first product which I can find is this one. So this is the MCaffeine Choco Caffeine Glow Face Pack, and this has argan oil and vitamin E in it, and this is for oily to normal skin people, and I already have used it. I got it in my Glamigo subscription box as well, but this time they have changed the packaging. Now this is a glass bottle, but in my Glamigo box that I got, the bottle was of plastic, and also the quantity of this is 30 ml, and the price of this is 400 rupees. And about all the pricing and the link of the Zotezo website is going to be in the description box below for you guys to check it out. And I've used this product already, so I can tell you guys that this product works really great, as it has cocoa powder or chocolate and coffee in it, and coffee really helps in scrubbing off, and it gives a glow to your face. So this is the first product. And now about the second product. The second product is this Fuchsia Peppermint Pedicure Nourishing Foot Cream. It has olive oil, sunflower, beeswax, aloe vera, vitamin E, and a lot of other things as well. So winter is just almost here, and I'm really happy that I got a foot cream, as you really need a good foot cream and a hand cream in winter. And I already have used a product from Fuchsia. It was the Fuchsia scrub, and I really like this scrub, so I'm looking forward to use this cream. And now the third product which I have in here is this Scent Divines Tea Tree Body Wash. So it's a body wash. It has tea tree oil, eucalyptus oil, and peppermint oil, and I don't know if it's a full size product or a small size product, but maybe it's a tiny bottle of a tea tree body wash. So the great thing about this is that it is paraben free, sulfate free, mineral oil free. It has no harmful chemicals. It is hypoallergenic as well, and also because it has all of these good essential oils in it, so it is antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-odor as well. So this is the body wash, and I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to keep it for my giveaway for you guys that I'm going to do, because I have reached across 10k subscribers, so the giveaway is coming really soon. And now about the fourth product. So this is the Blue Heaven Artisto Kajal, and it says that it is waterproof, smudge proof, and also it is lead free, and you're going to get a total of 3.25 grams of the product for rupees 125, and this is made in India, as Blue Heaven is an Indian brand. And now coming to the kajals. So the packaging looks like this, and in the bottom you're going to get the product, and on the top it has a brush applicator to apply your kajal. And I have not used this kajal, and I'm not going to be using it, as I'm going to be keeping it for you guys for my giveaway. So this is the fourth product, the Blue Heaven's kajal, and also I've tried out a colored kajal from Blue Heaven, and that works really nice. So I really don't know about this much, but this is the fourth product. And now coming to the fifth product. So fifth product is a full size bottle of Wow Skin Science Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo, and this shampoo is so famous on Amazon. It has a rating of some 4 point some stars on Amazon, and a lot of people try it out. And as you guys know that I already have tried out a lot of Wow Skin Science products, and I already love them. So this is basically for hair fall and to restore shine and smoothness into your hair. And then also it has no parabens, no sulfates, no silicons, and also it has DHT blockers as well. And the price of this shampoo is 4.99 rupees, and the price of this bag, I think I have told you guys the wrong price. It's 6.49 rupees. So you're getting a 500 rupees product in a 6.49 rupees bag, which is so great, and also it's a full size bottle. But if you don't want to choose this shampoo, shampoo. So they also have another option for you guys, so you can choose in between these two. The another option is a Plum toner. So Plum Goodness is an Indian brand as well, and also it's a good Indian brand, so you can choose in between these two. So you can either choose the Plum toner or the Wow apple cider vinegar shampoo. They both have a very good rating, so you can choose whatever you want. So this is about the fifth product. And now about the last product. So this is the herbal rose tisane. So this is sun dried Himalayan rose petals. So this is to put it into your tea to make a rose tea out of it. So you need to steep it in your tea for about 3 to 5 minutes depending on your tea type. This is what it says, and I have tried it out. The fragrance is amazing, and also you get a rose flavor in your tea, which I kind of liked. So this is about the sixth product. So with that, I finished with my bag. No, I also have a candle in this bag. So as it's Diwali month, and they have sent a little candle as well. So this is all that I got in this month's bag, and I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then do give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and turn the bell button on, so you will get notified whenever I'll be uploading new videos. And that's about it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.